So lying down aggravation, we have seen it in the psychotic miasm, and the lying down amelioration, that is a symptom of the sura. Second difference we have seen during the daytime, the aggravation in the sura, but after the sunset up to the sunrise, that is night at midnight, there is aggravation in the psychosis and syphilis. The fever is also at the night, headache with the fever also at the night. Then the patient is restless, the patient always move here and there, and the patient feels better. Again, this is the opposite symptom as that of the sora. Sora always wants to lie down, he wants to sit at one place quietly. The head symptom resemble the syphilitic in that they have the night aggravation. Same thing we will see again in the syphilis. There is the same type of vertigo at the base of the brain. So this is the similarity between the psychosis and the syphilis. The hair falls out in a circular spots. That is alopecia. The hair of the beard falls. दाढीचे पण त्याचे जे केस आहेत ते गळायला लागतील. The psychotic scalp perspires, but there are not the moist, the matting eruptions of syphilis. The sura is having the dryness in the hair. The dryness is again a characteristic symptom of the sura, and because of that dryness, there is a dandruff in the hair. But in the psychosis, what happened? There is a perspiration in the scalp, and there may be the eruptions are present in the hair, and because of that, the person may have the perspiration. So that is a syphilis. Psychosis never gives a true ulcer. Psychotic manifestations are more overgrowth of tissue than the destructive of tissue. So the formation of the true ulcer, that is a characteristic of the syphilis. The boil, and there is a collection of the water, or the polyp or the cyst, that is the characteristic of the psychosis. लेकिन डिस्ट्रक्ट जहाँ में होता है, that is the syphilis. Only overgrowth is a characteristic symptom of psychosis. So overgrowth in the form of warts हो सकते हैं उसको. These are the psychotic signposts. The the mole and papillomata may be either syphilitic or psychotic. Deposits of gouty concentration characterized stigma. So moles formation, warts formation, these are all the manifestation of the psychosis. लेकिन वहाँ पे जब उसका डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है बेस में, अगर पस फॉर्मेशन होता है कोई भी इरप्शन के बेस में, या फिर वहाँ पे ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट होती है और दैट इरप्शन इज नाउ डिस्ट्रक्टेड, सो दैट इज अ सिफिलिटिक टेंट. डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ गाउटी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, जैसे सिफिलिटिक साइनोवल फ्लूइड कलेक्शन हो गया है ज़्यादा, या जॉइंट्स में स्वेलिंग है, सो दीज आर ऑल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द साइकोटिक माइज्म. अर्थराइटिक ट्रबल ऑफ द आई are the combination of psychosis and the sura. There are also the neuralgias, which are worse on a change of weather, worse change of barometer, worse during the rainy weather. So sora plus psychosis, when they are combined together, there may be the pain, arthritic pain may be there, neuralgic pain may be there, and all the things are increases whenever there is a change of weather. Change of barometer means what? What is change of barometer? What is barometer? You have learned in the 12th standard barometer. What is barometer?
Used to measure air pressure.
Yes, which measures the weather. वो particular area में कैसा weather रहेगा, that will give the barometer. So जहाँ पे weather change होता है suddenly, that is nothing but the instrument, that is the barometer. तो ये जब होगा, यानी अगर सुबह में धूप है और अगर दोपहर में जैसे बारिश आती है, द वेदर इज जैसे अभी का वेदर है हमारे यहाँ पे कि थोड़ी धूप रहती है सुबह में एंड ड्यूरिंग द आफ्टरनून और इन द इवनिंग इट स्टार्ट रेनिंग. सो ये अगर ऐसा वेदर है, सो न्यूरalgic पेन और द athletic पेन increases, that is the sora and the psychotic combination. What is this papillomata? This is a benign tumor which grow on the screen. It is a projection which is created by our skin, that is again a overgrowth. So but this is a benign tumor. Okay, so change of weather increases the complaints. The psychotic usually has a red nose with a prominent capillaries. The sense of smell is lost. The children with snuffles are usually syphilitic or psychotic. The stigma has moist snuffles, but without ulceration or the crust. The discharge is purulent, scanty, and the odor of the fish brine. So, this odor of the fish brine is very important because we have seen in the Surah the discharges are odorless. But here इन whenever when I told you about the Surah, तब मैंने आपको बोला था कि अगर discharges को odor है तो that is a psychotic taint. So every discharge जो भी रहेगा patient का, they are having some bad odor, that is the psychosis, and sometime it may be the syphilitic. What is this snuffles? आपण त्याला घोरणे म्हणतो ना, घोरतात ना बरेच लोक किंवा नाकातून आवाज येतो. सो दॅट इज अ स्नफल. सो दॅट स्नफल्स आर बिकॉज द स्नफल साउंड इज क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द सम coryza is present in the nose, or some discharges are there in the nose. Because of that, the child are having the some sound from the nose. So that is usually psychotic and the syphilitic. The they are having the मॉइस्ट स्नफल्स, म्हणजे डिस्चार्जेस किंवा जे काही कोरायझा आहे नाकामध्ये असलेला, दॅट इज अ मॉइस्ट, इट इज नॉट अ ड्राय. इफ इट इज अ ड्राय कोरायझा देन दॅट इज अ सोरा, but without ulceration and a crust. If it is a ulcer, then this is a syphilis. But the discharges जे राहणार आहेत त्याचे कुठलेही नाक, कान किंवा बलगम जो पडणार आहे छातीतून, तर तो पण प्युरिलंट राहणार आहे, स्कॅन्टी, अँड विच इज हॅव्हिंग द सम ओडर. ओके, इतकं कळलंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Dry, dryness is a characteristic of which myzum?
Sora.
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 Yes, and purulent discharges, odor some bad odor discharges. They are the
Psychotic or syphilitic. Psychotic, na ma'am? Psychotic or syphilitic?
it may be the syphilitic. Fish brine odor.
Psychotic.
Psychotic. But what do you mean by that fish brine odor? आपण त्याला बॅड ओडर म्हणू शकतो, है ना? The fish brine odor is a characteristic of the psychotic taint. It may appear in all the discharges. जसं मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं आता की the discharge may be ear, discharge from the nose, discharge may be from the purse. So all are having the bad odor. But especially in the discharges from the genital tract, because that if that person is having some history of gonorrhea. The psychotic discharges like tubular or are ग्रीनिश अँड येलो. जसं मी तुम्हाला आता म्हटलं होतं की जेव्हा तो बलगम पास करतो, whenever he is having some discharges, जेव्हा तो थ्रो करणार आहे फ्रॉम द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टीम, then that they are the yellowish or they are the greenish. बट द व्हाईटिश और द कलरलेस इज द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द सोरा. आता हे ग्रीनिश आणि येलोइश केव्हा होतात की जेव्हा वेनेवर देर इज अ इन्फेक्शन, बॅक्टेरियल किंवा व्हायरल इन्फेक्शन जेव्हा जास्त वाढलेलं असेल तेव्हा हे ग्रीनिश किंवा येलोइश डिस्चार्जेस पडतील विथ सम ओडर. There is often a nasal stoppage out to thickening of membrane and the enlargement of the turbinated bones. आता enlargement आहे, overgrowth आहे. These are the characteristic of the सायकोसिस. सो जेव्हा नाकाचं हाड वाढलेलं असतं त्याला आपण डेव्हिएटेड नॅझल सेप्टम, तुम्ही आता शिकत असाल ENT मध्ये, नाही सॉरी पुढच्या वर्षी तुम्ही शिकाल थर्ड इयरमध्ये. सो दॅट डेव्हिएटेड नॅझल सेप्टममध्ये दॅट पर्सन मे हॅव अ डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग. तर ते जे वाढलेलं हाड असतं नाकाचं दॅट इज अगेन अंडर द सायकोटिक मायझम. एक्सेप्ट इन कोल्ड acute cold, the discharges are scanty. The slightest among the of discharge, however, the better the patient. Current we have seen the red line symptom of the psychosis are the discharges are purulent and scanty. So only when he is having the coryza, the discharges may be much more, but other discharges are scanty. And if the discharges are scanty, patient feels better. So these are all the symptoms of the psychotic miasm. Hay fever conditions, that means a seasonal fever जब उसको होता है because of the allergy, which are accidentally difficult of cure under the ordinary treatment, are more easily understood when we remember that they can be expression of syphilis and latent psychosis, very often with a soric taint. Erysipelas is a combination of sora and psychotic. Erysipelas means there is a red patches or the red eruptions are there, so it is a sora and a psychotic stigma. The psychotic patient is especially liable to rheumatic trouble that we have seen previously also. Arthritic troubles are there, neuralgic pains are there, where this faint appear, especially if there has been any attempt at the suppression of the heart with a violent hammering and hitting. So rheumatoid arthritis या दूसरा arthritic problem अगर suppress होता है, so this may leads to the heart problem, and where that patient feels the violent hammering and the hitting in the heart. So these are all the symptoms of the psychotic miasm. So we have seen how it is developed by the suppression of the gonorrheal poison. All the discharges are scanty and they are having the bad odor. Then there may be the outgrowth of the outgrowth is a characteristic symptom of the psychosis, or the overgrowth, we can say overgrowth in the nose, overgrowth in the bone, or the accumulation, or the some deposition. These are all the characteristic of the psychosis. Then we have seen about the mental symptoms, that person is having the suspiciousness, jealousness, then patient is irritable, patient is cross, cruel, cunning, suicidal tendencies also there. Discharges are having the bad odor but they are scanty. If that the patient is having the red nose, the child snuffles because of the psychotic and the syphilitic taint, but there will be no formation of the ulcer in the psychosis. The symptoms will be worse every after the change of weather, or worse in the rainy season, because the arthritic complaints are much more in the psychotic stigma. Psychosis will never form the ulcer. They will only never causes the destruction of tissue, but they will only form the warts or any overgrowth. They will only form the moles or the benign tumor, or the gouty concentration are the characteristic symptoms of the psychosis. If the hair fall is there, then hair fall in a circular spot. The hair may fall from the beard in the male. Then the psychosis may have the perspiration in the scalp, and the syphilis may have the some eruption with the perspiration from the hair. Then the psychosis are having the frontal headache, which is worse at the night and during the midnight. During the daytime, the patient feels better, but during the night, the patient is having the pain. The patient may have the fever at the night. The patient always wants to move here and there. The restlessness is there, which feels better. The vertigo is also there, which starts at the base of the brain, and this is again aggravated at the night. So all the symptoms are aggravated at night. all the symptoms are feel better, or generally the mental condition is feel better by the abnormal discharges, but they should be a scanty. By the natural eliminations, they do not feel anything. They want the abnormal discharges. Normal discharges से amelioration है सोरा में. They are having the fixed idea just like a syphilis. They are cross in nature. They are the revengeful. The criminals are there in the psychotic tent. So these are all the physical and the mental symptoms of the psychosis. Any problem in this?
मॅम
हाँ.
तिथे तुम्ही लास्ट लाईन वाचली ना व्हायलंट आणि हिटिंग, तिथे बुक मध्ये बीटिंग आहे.
हां, आता ह्याच्यामध्ये कसं हे टाइप केलेलं असतं ना, तर त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त हार्टमध्येच सांगते ना तू. तर त्याच्यामध्ये
हा
धड-धड, धड-धड असं फिलिंग होतं पेशंटला, बाकी काही नाही. पेशंट तुम्हाला बीटिंग, हॅमरिंग वगैरे असे शब्द वापरणार नाही. तो म्हणेल मला छातीमध्ये धड-धड होतंय, ठोकल्यासारखं होतंय, असा शब्द पेशंट वापरणार.
ओके मॅम.
ओके. एनीवन एल्स? तुझ्याकडे एच.ए. रॉबर्ट पण आहे कोमल?
हो मॅम.
Very good. Anyone else? Any doubt in this? So now this is the homework to you. Please write down all the symptoms of psychosis. First question. And second, write down the difference between the SORA and psychosis in mental plane as well as on physical plane. Okay? Because now we will meet on Monday. So before that, please submit these two questions. All the characteristic symptoms of psychotic miasm. Second question, write down the difference between SORA and syphilis, mental as well as physical plane. Clear?
येस मॅम.
Okay. कुछ पूछना है? Any doubt? कुछ नहीं समझा है? कुछ confusion है?
No, ma'am.
Shall I stop here? कोणालाच काही विचारायचं नाहीये? काही डाऊट नाहीये?
नाही मॅम.
Okay. Please take the attendance and submit it on the group. Anyone? आज दीपक नहीं है. हाँ.
मैम हमारे पास बुक नहीं है तो आप ये पीडीएफ सेंड कर सकते हैं क्या?
You will get it on the net. मैं आपको ये नेट पर से ही दिखा रही हूँ बेटा. आज कॉपी पेस्ट करने का टाइम भी नहीं मिला मुझे.
अच्छा.
Otherwise you take the screenshot.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will just give you from the starting. आपको नेट पे नहीं मिला तो आप मुझे मैसेज करो, मैं आपको सेंड करती हूँ, लिंक सेंड कर दूंगी.
हाँ ठीक है.
क्योंकि ये लाइव ही मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. दिस इज क्लासिफिकेशन साइकोसिस बाय एच.ए. रॉबर्ट. इतना भी अगर आप डालते हो तो आपको मिल जाएगा. नहीं मिलता है तो आप मुझे मैसेज करो. ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay. So I will ending this meeting here. We will meet on Monday. But before that, please submit these two questions. Okay. Bye bye.